Hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and today I'm going to show you how to actually get your stuff back, your loot, your backpack when you died in LEGO Fortnite. Now it's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. There are multiple ways to get your loot back in LEGO Fortnite. Now the first way is by simply pressing M and opening your map. And as you can see, here is your bed and here is your backpack. Now to locate your backpack, simply run around the map and your arrow will indicate where the backpack is. Now the second way to retrieve your loot on Fortnite LEGO is by simply looking at the sky and you see a big beacon. Now this green beacon will indicate where your loot is, and I will run towards it to actually show you that there's a backpack on the ground. As you can see right there is my stuff, and you can simply press E by picking it up. Now from there you can retrieve your loot, your backpack, and that's it. If you still get any other questions regarding this tutorial, please leave it in the comments down below. If this video has helped you, leave a like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. Thanks for watching.